This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.